Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Our 2015 SQ5 does not have an oil dipstick. To check the oil, we have the vehicle parked on level ground. It's been sitting for a few minutes after we just ran it. I'm going to turn the ignition, just the ignition on. I'm not going to start the vehicle, so just hit the start button once. Everything will light up and turn on. We need to go into our MMI system here, which is the multimedia interface. We're going to use the joystick. We're going to locate the car. So actually, it's giving us a warning that the oil is at minimum. So that means that the electronic sensor in the oil pan is sensing that the oil level is low. And when the minimum oil light comes on, it usually takes about a quart or 1 liter of oil to fill the engine up to the proper amount. But if you want to check the oil level before that warning comes on, you'll use the MMI system. We'll use the joystick. We're going to navigate to the car, hit enter, and it actually won't even show me the level because it's at minimum. It says please add oil immediately. And there we go. It finally went to the oil level, so it's at minimum. So we need to add oil to this vehicle, but we're going to change it anyways. And when we're done changing it, we'll show you how to check the level. I'm going to start the vehicle up. We'll let it idle for a short amount of time. That should be good. Shut it off. I've let the car sit, so I'm just going to turn the ignition on. Go into car systems. I'm going to go to service and checks. Go to oil level. So it does tell me over here in this screen that the oil level is okay. It's not quite at the max level, so I want to make sure it's at the max level since I just filled it. So I'm going to add a little bit more to top it off. To check the oil level, I'm going to turn just the ignition on, the start button once. I'll navigate over to car. Looking for service and checks, car systems. May have to wait 2 minutes. Now we can see it's at the max level. So it tells you on this screen, it also tells you in the center display. So our oil change is now complete. We also have a service reminder coming up. So we're going to back out, and under car systems, we'll go down to service intervals. And we're going to hit reset. Yes. That will shut off the service reminder. Oil change is complete. Shut the vehicle off.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.